Hi everyone, Chef Mark here, and I'm at Appliance Factory with my latest issue of Talk to the Whisk. Now, if you caught any of my KBIZ footage, the Kitchen and Bath Industry show, you know that I went around and I interviewed the experts. I think the big trend that's going to come out is the technology and the phone app that's going to allow you to turn your oven on or off. But there's 5 things from KBIZ that I didn't like. So here they are. Number 1, the knock feature. Knock, knock on everything. A knock dishwasher, and the sales guys that are presenting this stuff, they're having to knock so hard to guarantee that it works the first time that I think they're wrapping their knuckles off. I saw some gimmicks, and I think the biggest gimmick I saw was a carbon fiber wrapped refrigerator. And in fact, all the appliances had a carbon fiber finish. And of course, carbon fiber is a very light and high-tech material, but personally, I don't think it has any business on home appliances. Another trend I saw: cheap Chinese knockoff ranges. Some of them are really tinny, not that well built, and there was a lot of them out there. 48-inch Pro range, I can almost pick it up by myself. Interchangeable knob and handle. So on a refrigerator or stove, you can go from gold to rose to brass to copper with the knobs and the handles. And they say, well, you can change out the look of that. And that seems like a great idea on paper. However, the knob and handle kits are thousands of dollars. So although I think it's kind of a trendy idea and it probably appeals to design professionals, I don't think the average person walking into an appliance store is going to really pick up on that as being a great value. The glass door refrigerator. This is really common in commercial kitchens where the front of the panel of the refrigerator is glass, and it looks great. If you don't keep your refrigerator perfect, it looks like a mess. So that was a trend that I saw, and I think that's one that customers might think it's a great idea, but once they get in their kitchen, I think it's going to be a pain in their neck. This is Chef Mark with Talk to the Whisk.